ballyhoo. We got our chum bag here. We got the ballyhoo all balled up right here behind the boat. Randy's got the cast net loaded. Little closer. Shaking it, boss. Here they come. Ooh. Chummy, chummy, chum. Shake the bag.
I'm a little tired. Ooh, you little bastards.
I love this yummy chum. A little out of range. Randy's gonna give it a shot, though.
I'm gonna give it a shot anyway.
I think they saw you. Well, let's see what we got here.
Looks like I got a couple. Yep.
Yep. Oh, and the baits. All right. Ballyhoo.
That does it or so.
Alright.
A little less, maybe.
This is how you get bait in Key West.
That's it.
You can see our bounty right here. Whole tub of them. Some goggle eyes as well. Oh yes. We are ready to fish.